Yo, what's good guys? It's Jay. I have a pretty big pickup video for you guys today. It's only been halfway through the year, but I've been kind of going through like a closet revamp, so I've been buying clothes heavy. I have a lot to show you guys, so I'm just gonna get right into it. First up, I actually got this Hysteric Glamour necklace. I've been eyeing this one for a while, and I've been wanting a necklace that's not so basic for a while. And I like how it has like 4 different charms going out of one necklace. So yeah, love this guy. By the way, everything I get in this video is secondhand, except like 2 pieces I had to buy retail, but I usually hate paying full price for items. So everything I buy, usually it's secondhand. Another necklace pickup. This one is a Undercover SS04 guitar pick necklace. I actually got this for such a good deal. I got this on eBay for like 60 bucks actually. So, and next up, this is my everyday watch. It's the Citizen Digi Temp early 2000s watch. This is probably my all-time favorite watch. I mean, I've been wearing this for like the past year and a half. My previous one broke, so I had to buy a new one. Solid watch, pretty budget friendly. It was only like 150 bucks, which is extremely cheap compared to like Rolexes. Next we got this. I don't usually wear rings that much. Groundcover was having a sample sale, warehouse clearance sale. It was like 50% off, so grabbed it for a really good price. Is this peace ring. Just throw it on my index finger. Boom. Pretty basic. Nice little ring. And this one is not really like an accessory, but something that I really liked from my trip to Tokyo back in March. It's kind of like a souvenir piece, and this scent reminds me of my trip to Tokyo. It's a Santal 33 Labo fragrance. Let me just... But yeah, that's all my accessories for right now. Let's go into the tees. Okay, starting off with a banger. Radiohead 1998 OK Computer Tee. I got this in a auction for, honestly, I got taxed, but it's such an amazing tee that fits me perfect. And the back kit is amazing. It's everything I want in a band tee. I obviously don't wear it every day because I just don't want it to, you know, get stained up even more. I don't want to spill like fucking kimchi on it. I think this gotta be my favorite shirt in my band tee collection. I might also do a band tee collection video soon because I have a shit ton of band tees. Next, I got another band tee. This one, I got it from my trip to Japan because I actually didn't have tees to wear. I didn't realize I only packed up like 2 tees to the trip. So, you know, another good everyday tee. Next is this 90s white Onita tag blank. It's summer, it's really hot. I think everyone needs a good white blank to wear every day. I have been wearing this almost every other day. Perfect like neck distressing right here too. Fits me good. Solid blank tee. And then I got this like flame long sleeve motorcycle shirt. It's a vintage one from early 2000s. Good flame long sleeve shirt with a bunch of distressing that I did myself. Next up, another little Y2K John. West Coast Shoppers is just a bike company from the early 90s, I believe. It just recently became really popular because a lot of people think it's a good Chrome Hearts alternative. Because Chrome Hearts, if you didn't know, is also a biker company from the 80s, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, it's like a cheaper alternative of Chrome Hearts. This one is a Deftones hoodie from the 90s, and I've been looking for this one specifically online. Finally found one. I just love the graphic, and it's just a good black hoodie I can throw on, you know, anytime. Nothing more to say about that. But this next one, this is a 1960s Champion reverse weave hoodie with bunch of fading, bunch of thrashing, and I'm honestly so hyped to get this guy. I've never owned a Champion reverse weave this old, and I think everything about this hoodie is just so perfect. I'm such a nerd when it comes to like vintage tags, but yeah. and this like hoodie crunch right here, all this distressing. So good. So this next one, it's a Japanese repro from the 90s, Levi's Type 2. I didn't want to spend like 2 bands on a dark wash Type 2. That would probably fit me like shit. So I just got a Japanese repro, a lot more price friendly, and it actually is a really good wearable size. So yeah. And this guy right here, I actually don't really wear this. It's kind of like a good collector's piece in my wardrobe, but I just wanted to show you guys. Pretty hype about it. It's a 1930s milkman jacket, USA made by Derby. These were produced for people who loved milk back in the days. It was worn mostly in colleges. They used to have these like milk bars people used to work in and, you know, sell people milk. The guy bought this jacket and then got these stenciled all over the jacket throughout the years. Yeah, this one's from my shop archives, honestly, but I just wanted to show you guys, like I said. I don't really wear it. I don't want to ruin it. This is a Yohji Yamamoto 2007 sweater, raglan cut, and it's a really loose fitting knit. The fit of it is really nice. I love long arms on knits. Now we go into the heavy hitter. Balenciaga Santiag boots. Such beautiful pair of boots. I've been looking for these for so long. Really long pointy toes, really well constructed. I did get these for like half the retail price. I like to wear these with some bootcut pants. I think it looks really good, like draped over the shoes. All right, next we got these vintage repro hand-studded Frye engineer boots. These are women's actually. I got them from Poshmark. I just wanted some engineer boots and I just stumbled across these. Took some sandpaper and I kind of scuffed them up in the toes because I just like the look of that. But yeah, really solid boots. It was really cheap and I actually like wearing them with shorts too. So solid boots. Okay, now we go into the pants. We have a lot of pants. The Acne 2021 denim in mud wash colorway. I've been wearing these probably like 3 or 4 times a week. I did buy these retail. I couldn't find them secondhand because people were taxing on Grail. They were like selling it for like 2 times the retail price. I don't know why, because they were still available online. But anyways, I got them as a size 30, 34. I just wanted that long inseam so I can make these heel bites. But yeah, I just love the fit of the 2021 Acne Studios denim. I think they just drape so well over my body. I have a really weird shaped leg, so I have trouble finding good pair of denim that fit me right. Nothing fits me better than Acne 2021 denim. I got these denim from my trip to Korea. It's just a good pair of wide denim with, you know, good vintage fade on them. Fits me great. Next pair is pretty crazy. It's more of a skirt than pants, I think, but they're 2000s Rave pants. I love the silhouette of them. It kind of reminds me of Comme des Garçons or Yohji pants. Next, we got these for Atelier. Shout out my friend Kaido. These are the Juku denim. Fits me great. Love the fade on them. And this pair, it is a pair of 1940s USN Denim. I've been looking for specifically 1940s USN Denim because I heard the fit of them are so good and they're really lightweight, great for summer. Next, we got these pinstripe vintage looking pants. They're not actually vintage though. I forgot the brand name. Promise, I'm not trying to gatekeep. I'll put it in the description. They're just like really wide leg pinstripe pants that remind me of French workwear. I really like how it has like these heel bites right here. Fits pretty great. A little big on the waist, but I'll just throw on a belt. Last but not least, we got these 1970s military snow camo pants, which were originally white, but I'm pretty sure whoever owned it before tried to overdye it into black. Really wide pair of pants again. You know, I've been just trying to get some like nice wide leg pants I can throw on every day, be comfortable in. Good summer pant.